So how do we actually update our Razer Barracuda X firmware? Well, the first thing we need to do is to actually connect it here to our PC or laptop, but via this little dongle here, which you should have gotten when you purchased the headset. So now what I'm going to do, I apologize if it's a little bit dark, by the way. I don't know why my camera is like that, but you can see I'm just gonna plug it in here now, the dongle. So once the dongle is plugged in, I'm gonna click on the power button right here on my headset. And we're just gonna wait for it to connect here, as you can see. So now once it's connected here to the, you can see it's gonna shine green when it's connected, by the way, it's good to know. So now when it is connected, just go into Google and type Razer Barracuda X update firmware. And then in here you have to select your specific model. So mine is this one right here, as you can see. And then I have to click on this one, firmware upgrade right here. This is the latest one. And then I'm just gonna click on open file. Click on yes here, just gonna make sure you can see, and then click on next. And you can see we have to plug in the wireless dongle, which we already have, and then power on our headset. And it says like this: you already have the latest firmware and no update is required. So that means that I cannot make an update because I already have the latest one. But if you don't, just click on the update button here and you will be able to update it. So that is basically exactly how to actually do this.